Yeah, hello. My name is Saad. I am the head of PMO at NexaQuanta AI. We are a AI transformation company, and my role is PMO. So I manage a portfolio of projects that our company manages. I had a problem, so we were actually previously using Excel sheets for our resource management. So as it happens with companies that are growing, our people account had started to expand, and we were in a problem where obviously we had the Excel sheet start growing, and different managers actually had to keep on going in and updating it, and it was a whole lot of tedious effort. So one day I was thinking, and we were having this discussion, and I said, why don't we automate it and create like an app for it? And so that's how basically our internal resource manager came into play. And when I was building the resource manager, a very important part of what I wanted to see was essentially a utilization Gantt chart. Is, for example, a resource A is allocated to X project, let's say from Jan which week to which week, and that is a problem that I tried to solve. And to be very honest, I tried implementing it through typical React functions, and libraries, but I wasn't able to. I wasn't really getting what I wanted. So I just basically went out in Google and looked for what would work. I tried different things, but it wasn't really looking good, and that's how I landed on Syncfusion. I opted for a community license, obviously, because this is an in-house project, and obviously I had to obviously getting budget sanctioned for it is a bit difficult. So I was very happy that you guys had a community license, and I actually applied for it, got approved for it, and ever since I've still not. It's the application is still not built. It's still a work in progress. But the Gantt chart, the first time I implemented it, I just fell in love. One thing which was something that I really liked and something that really impressed me was the speed at which Syncfusion operated. For example, community license application. Usually when you apply for such a freeware or freemium thing, it usually you apply for it and then you have to wait couple weeks or several weeks, depending upon how slow that company is. But I got my approval within 12 hours. Anyone, who's an enthusiast, who's a person like me, who's in a company, working and wants to do innovation projects or pet projects, just want to try out different items, see how they feel instead of using or building something from scratch. I would highly recommend Syncfusion. It's a plug and play library. The community license is great. Even if you want to commercialize it, the process is easy. I have seen it, and as so far my experience is what experience I have had with the community license, I am 200% sure that the commercialization experience will be fast and quick and efficient as well.